Hey guys, we just had a little barbecue party for Steve's birthday, and now we're going to a meet, letting her warm up. He's got the cop one. All these freaking Teslas. I don't know where we're going. That's 1,000. Damn.
Y'all going to Oregon?
Huh?
Going to Oregon?
Yeah. Are you coming?
Yeah.
Okay. This is the Origins meet, which I've never been to, but I've heard plenty of good things about. Lately, I've been forgetting to turn my freaking music on before I hop on, because I'm like, nah, content, fuck it. Like, I gotta make sure the GoPro's straight. Following Kay. Kay's in the Tesla. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Keep up with Kay. Kay's not making it easy for us. I mean, it's not hard, it's just like I didn't think we were going to be going this fast. Let's go, baby. little slide action on her. I need gas too. Whoa! Let's go, baby. Total chaos and I love it. Oh my gosh, dude. Holy shit. Little baby one, there you go. Oh, we totally missed the turn. I'm so sorry. I always do this. I'm so sorry. Yep, I totally wheelied through that intersection. Damn. Dude, that thing sounds so fucking good. I know I need gas, but damn. I still need gas, and we got split up because you know, we got too excited. He's got no gloves on. Oh, that's a cop. Oh, her gone. Where'd the homies go? Where you guys parked at? Huh? Where'd you guys park at?
Anywhere. Park right here.
Right there?
What?
Right there?
Yeah, right there. No,
Fair enough.
we're killing it.
Dude, you're nasty with it. I'm like, damn, he's going off every block. Bah, 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 bah. Damn.
We have more bikes right there at the pump of gas 10.
I need gas.
Hey, let's take our bike over there.
Yeah.
Where are they going?
They're at pump 10.
Oh, okay. Hey. That's so well.
What?
Wheelie, I don't understand.
I don't know.
You need to do a wheelie on my bike, at least one.
Alright. How the f did they get over there? That's so close! No! That's dead. I don't think there's any way to get in here. They literally shut down 7-Eleven. Dude, he's a maniac.
Yeah, he is. No, we were waving you on because we want to see you up on the wheelie.
What car were you in?
We're in the Tesla.
Which one?
With K.
I was doing K's doing 95. You want me to do wheelies?
Damn right. 20. Yes, sir.
What? Wait, I went by you though.
You did. I got
the.
video of it.
I saw him go for the turn signal. I was like, oh, We're getting off.
Hey, we want camp. We want camp. Like, have stickers.
Oh, thank you. I wasn't cranky though, but all right, I'll take it. All right, let's go look at some that's here. Oh, sign the car? Oh, yeah, my boy.
Hey,
We signing cars out here?
You're gonna realize who's signing.
Right. I'm gonna put mine right in the cut. I gotta find. I'm trying to sign that out.
Right here, look. Oh, wait.
Oh, damn.
Wow, they took all of it.
Dude, I can't believe I'm signing a car right now. Is this like wrap or is this paint?
That's paint.
I have one in a second.
Star and box that shit.
Sharpie.
It's yours now.
I'm just gonna put it right there. That's packed. We're just gonna go off on our own adventure.
I know you're going somewhere.
No, you don't. No, you don't, bro. I'm no one. Look at this GTR. Jeez. But it ain't a Hellcat though. Hellcat. Oop, alright. That's the girl. Oh, that's so fire! It's got a.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so clean.
You saw where our bikes are, right?
Kinda. Not really. Yeah, I mean, I'm right-ish there. Right-hand wheel drive. That's beautiful. That's badass. Jeez, that Tesla got dope lights. That's so fire.
I'll do something. Tomorrow to get my money back.
There we go.
Did you break it?
You ripped off.
Dude, it was like keep closing on the way and it pissed me off.
You said f it and just.
Wait, hold on. I got you.
Yo, you're wild. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you guys want more of these, let me know. This is dope though. I don't know if you guys really are like into the car scene, but I mean, a true adrenaline junkie, really, it don't matter what. It's like, it's just adrenaline, everything. If you're not hyped, get hyped, stay hyped, guys.